Let me start the episode by saying that hair is power and hair reveal a lot of things, especially the invention. And today I'm just really excited kasi our guests, they reinvent themselves so many times, gracefully, loudly, at syempre beautifully. So our first guest, she's been in the industry for 2 decades and she won Best Actress at New York. Now she's a proud mom. She's the main cast of Farm Wives. Everyone, let's give it up for Natalie Hart. Hello!
Thank you, Mark!
Welcome
So happy to
Mark
be here.
Our next guest, she is the first, di ba? But today is not her first in the podcast. She's an entrepreneur, model, beauty queen, actress. Let's all give a big hand to one of the main cast of Farm Wives, Killeen Trejano.
Hi everyone! I'm back! Back to you! Back to you too!
So, kamusta? Welcome to Mark My Word. Yung
So I
pala-
guess that was destiny na malate ako. So at least mas nagkakalalan sila. See, it's because of me.
Si late naman. One thing that I've noticed about the two of you, about the invention, and I see that, so let's start with that, and since sabi mo nga you started in a young age,
Very young age.
You joined a reality show from mature roles, and then you became an actress. And ito yung pinaka-exciting part, which is your motherhood.
Right now, it was very difficult for me to come back also in this industry. Kasi parang, syempre ayoko naman sabihin yung drama ko sa buhay, no? I just ended a relationship, bumalik ako sa Pilipinas, and I was reinventing myself. Sabi ko, ano pa ba bang pwede kong magawa? Tatanggapin pa ba nila ako kasi nanay na ako?
Ang tanong ko lang is, how do you are able to show that to your audience? Especially yung mga followers mo, yung fans mo, yung transition na yun.
Actually, sa akin kasi talaga, hair has a very big impact for people, no? Yung ako, nung this year, I was kind of depressed. I had all this anxiety. Alam mo, pinagupitan ko yung buhok ng sobrang ikse. Sabi ko, you know what, I don't care. I wanna leave all this trauma. I wanna be a new person. Now I have short hair. I still have a voice in this industry na nakakatuwa. Akala ko wala na kasi hindi na ako young. Or, di ba usually kasi dito sa Pilipinas,
The prime age kasi na to enter the show business.
oh yeah, dapat talaga teenager ka pa lang. And now, I realize, I'm in a different era right now na I'm more mature. I have more to offer.
You have a new show, di ba? So I guess it's there, di ba?
Thank God talaga, no? God is really good too. Pag mabait ka, mabait din ang Diyos sa'yo.
It's really the good karma kasi talaga.
Yes.
So whatever you do to other
Bukas na naman ang
people.
portal ko.
Ay, si Madam Oring naman. And to you naman, Kay, I also, of course, I know your reinvention personally.
Yeah.
Because dinamay mo talaga ako
Of
kahit
course.
ayoko, di
Alam
ba?
mo siya yung manager ko sa pageant.
Yes!
Oo, basta sabi
Pero
ko,
hindi ako aware.
hindi siya aware, pero siya talaga, pinupush ko. Kasi alam mo yung, di ba sa atin, sa buhay natin, hindi ka naman basta-basta makakapagtiwala sa tao. So, kung sino na lang yung close mo sa'yo at sino kaya mo pagkatiwalaan, dun mo na lang
Doon ka na.
Diba?
Hindi ka na maghahanap pa ng iba.
Totoo. So,
Especially
yun,
at this
yan. At this
certain
era, this point,
age,
yeah.
diba? So how does your hair impact your invention? Because the last time you were here, you were long hair and then now,
Yes. So, short hair na ako noon, ate.
short hair na. This is shorter.
Shorter,
Ayan.
yeah. At saka ako lang pala nagupit. Siyempre may salon siya kasi Inglaterra. Pag nakikita ko maganda yung kulay niya, anong formula niya? Tinitingnan ko talaga.
Minimemorize niya actually.
ko.
Pangit doon, sinishare niya, yan, 6171 ganyan.
Sa mga hindi po nakakaintindi nun, yun po yung color ng kulay.
Yeah, the formula.
yes,
Ng
yung
formula. Yun yung hinahalo with bleach.
Recently, nung ginupitan niya ako ng hair, tinitingnan ko na siya. Kasi nga, every 2 weeks, kailangan ko siyang i-visit para ma-maintain yung short hair.
Okay, yeah.
So, sabi ko nito nga, tingnan ko nga, total may mga something naman. So, ginawa ko siya. Ginawa ko mas maikli, mas bet ko talaga.
What makes you decide to change the look pala?
I want to be more relaxed. Like, you know, when you're getting older, I feel like you're more insecure in a way na hindi ko na gusto mo masyadong nakaayos lagi.
Yeah.
Gusto mo paglalabas ka, relax ka na lang. Kung gusto mo paglabas mo, alam mo yung, this is it,
You're
carefree
ready.
and you're confident. So, parang ganun siya.
Ang hair talaga, it's therapeutic.
Yes.
Kasi diba, in this world that a lot of chaos and all, syempre, pag you want something that you can still, control.
Tsaka alam mo mga babae, pag kami depressed or may mga masasamang nangyayari sa amin or we're just not very happy, may mga, alam mo, sa work, sa pamilya.
Bilang babae.
Bilang babae.
Bilang babae.
Pupunta ka lang ng salon, magpa-plancha ka, magpakulot ka, magpa-blower ka.
Mel
Or
ba?
simple, as a haircut.
Yes.
Alam mo, iba yung boost of confidence talaga na parang, yes, you're still the same person. Wala naman talagang major na nangyari, pero you feel brand new, di ba?
Ang ganda nun. Kasi diba parang do something that you can control and it's very therapeutic kasi. Pinakamurang therapy ha.
Yes.
Yung haircut,
Yung haircut,
pinaka-
diba?
And hair also is one size fits all. Kasi everybody has hair, diba? And if you have something that you can easily change or, just make you feel confident.
Ako the way I see kasi the trans in general when they transition, the first thing na manonotice mo sa kanila,
Yung hair.
nagpapahaba sila ng buhok.
Okay, I don't know. Right now, to be honest, I have the shortest hair I could ever imagine, but I feel more feminine and confident.
I love
I
it.
don't think it's about the hair. I guess it's about the confidence in yourself. Femininity doesn't come with how long or how thick it is. Femininity comes from your heart, your movement, the way you present yourself.
Parang because you've accepted who you are as a
Yeah.
person. If you accept it, parang especially for her.
Yeah.
I even told her, girl, you look rich and fabulous with your
Diba?
hair. Very, more powers ka dyan.
But yun naman, di ba since you have a daughter na,
Actually-
kikaiba yung anak mo, naman ba sa'yo?
Actually, she had a very long hair hanggang waist. Tapos nagalit siya sa akin kasi nagpa-short hair ako. Ginaya niya ako.
Oh my God.
So nagpa-short hair din siya. Tapos the next day, umiiyak siya. Sabi niya, Mommy, I hate my hair. Why did you push me to cut my hair short? Sabi ko,
Why did you push you? Parang ikaw may gusto, di
ikaw
ba?
may gusto!
Mga bata to gaslighter.
Itong mga bata, magaling magsinungaling din, no? Nakakainis. I think for the moms out
Yes.
there, they would...
But it's a cute naman. Di ba nakakatawa kasi pag bata pa, pag matanda na hindi.
Oo,
Di ba?
pag cute, parang...
niyo ako. Alam ko na yan.
That's true. Parang you still allow yung manipulation. Sige na nga, bahala ka na. Pero pag matanda na, gusto mo pukpukin kita, di ba?
But do you you have a pamper day with her, ganyan?
We do. We go to the spa, nagpapamasahe
Masaya.
kami together. Minsan nga kahit pinapa-blower ko yung anak ko kasi parang she has actually natural curly hair. Tapos gusto niya plancha.
Oh, okay.
So sabi
Which
ko-
is normal, di ba? For some kasi at start, if you have wavier curly hair, you want it to straighten naman. Tapos pag meron ka namang straight, you want kulot.
Oo.
Up until the moment that, you reach this
Yes.
Age.
womanhood, di
Yes.
ba? Na you accepted who you are.
And you
Tapos,
just want everything natural and chill and relax and
Oo.
just carefree.
Wala ka nang pakialam.
Ganda lang ako, di ba?
Yes.
Oo.
How does your hair complete your womanhood?
Hair completes my womanhood in a sense that it is an extension of my femininity.
Yeah.
Diba? Our body, the way we look at things is an extension of us, but it doesn't define us.
Mayroong emotional impact ang hair sa akin. Talaga ako, kasi I think June 2025, I decided to cut everything. Ang haba to here. Because, yun nga, parang sa akin, I wanna change. I wanna reinvent myself.
Yes.
I wanna, not because I am mayabang ako or gusto ko ma-improve sa tao. Sometimes, the only person you have to prove is yourself. May laban pa pala ako.
Yes.
Kaya ko pa pala.
Yeah.
And then, now, people were like asking me, wow, you look radiant and everything. I'm trying to be a better person, pero hindi na ako yung makikipagplastikan ako.
Yeah.
And then you don't have the self-betrayal. ba?
Yes.
Oo.
Yung parang, niloloko mo yung sarili mo.
Totoo. Hindi naman na kailangan, di ba? Parang, tayo
Pero
nagka-work
can you
kami
share lang,
dalawa,
kasi when you
ganun.
say na hindi na siya kailangan, I think this is the best now, ano yung trigger or eye-opener na, it's time for me just to accept myself and it's done?
I was in my lowest point of my life. Na parang, bakit ako? Bakit
Ba't hindi na lang si Kate?
niloko ako sa pera, parang yung fairy tale ko na magkakaasawa, tapos tas ikaw, you have to be a single mother, you have to take care of another human being. Hindi lang yung physically yung financially. Doon ko na-realize na, you know what? I realized na I'm not perfect and I'm gonna fight. Basically, if you cannot do anything anymore, doon ka pala talaga kikilos at tatayo na, you know what? I don't care anymore. I'm gonna accept myself, I'm gonna fight, and this is who I am now.
And look at you now, di ba?
This one's gonna come.
Diba?
Kasi in general, people always say na don't validate yourself. But
Yeah.
personally, I don't want to have the
Mamaya ako
validation.
sinagot niya rin.
No, iba yung
Go.
Hindi,
No, but I would love to hear.
punto mo
Oh, go.
na parang, Kasi personally ako, I don't like validation, but I want attention.
Yes.
Diba? Parang ganon. So,
I think it's normal naman na lahat naman ng
Ako, attention
tao
seeker
gusto
talaga
ng
ako.
attention. Kasi ako, gusto ko rin naman na kahit paano yung attention uy, you did a good job.
Totoo.
Parang it tells you na tama yung ginagawa mo, nakakatuwa ka naman.
Yeah.
So, I don't think it's validation. It's really, you really need attention.
Yes.
Confirmation, that's the word.
Confirmation that you did a good job. The validation.
Ting.
The validation kasi comes from yourself eh. Kasi you
Parang
can validate.
ego.
Oo. The validation kasi should come from yourself, hindi siguro from the tao. Kasi the tao could even be fake about it.
Oo.
Di ba? Madami nating naka-work na sinabi sa atin maganda pag uwi pala sa bahay, hindi naman pala totoo. Yung validation should come from us. Yung confirmation siguro that we did a good job, yun yung hinahanap natin. Ay, hindi lang naman kami.
can you
lahat
share,
siguro.
how do you, since you don't like the validation, you don't want to have the validation.
I used to want. I realized that now, no. I just want to keep doing what I'm doing. Kasi even though naman you've done so much, guys, nanalo na nga ako sa Pilipinas, pinalakpakan ba ako ng bansang to? Wala naman nangyari.
I think it's really nice na you are very strong kasi nangyari yun sa'yo. So people can see that. Yun, alam mo, kung sino pa yung pamilya mo, kung sino pa yung pinakamalaki lapit sa'yo, they're not gonna help you and they're not gonna clap on you. Pero yung kung hindi mo pa kakilala, yun pa yung papalakpak
Totoo.
sa'yo.
Oo. At pag wala, sarili mo na lang.
So I
Pero
guess it's,
that's true.
Diba?
Sometimes I clap. Alam mo, umiyak,
Sa sarili, diba?
umiiyak ako nung siguro last week. Sabi ko, grabe, ang dami kong trabaho, pagod na pagod ako.
But
Pero
you did
I realized,
something.
I cried, but sabi ko, I am thankful. I am grateful to have a job, to do things. Pero minsan pa, tao lang tayo, napapagod lang din tayo.
yes.
So parang, syempre parang naaawa ka sa sarili mo na ang dami mong ginagawa. But also, you look at yourself, thank you God na you're giving me all this fuel for me to do what I have to do. So parang in a way, pagod ka pero you're thankful.
Saka at the same time, si-surprise ka rin kasi niya na parang, ay, akala ko okay na to, meron pa pala.
Yes.
Diba? Tapos hindi mo in-expect. So, mas masarap sa pakiramdam. Ang ganda. And it's all about womanhood, no? So, because two different perspective about womanhood. But, you know, it's just a one message talaga.
Yeah, it's a one message. So, keep on going.
Sige, let's keep it light naman this time. Just ko, ang aking mga profesorang friend. So, before you enter showbiz, ano yung dream mo talaga, yung Natalie? What's your dream before you enter showbiz?
Oh, I wanted to be a designer. So I went to India. I did GIA there, jewelry designing. So I always like shiny things, or not shiny, but like, you know, something beautiful.
Ay, thank
so
you.
Yeah, something beautiful. So
ba?
I thought talaga na, sabi ko, I really want to work in the fashion industry. Pero syempre parang, I even got an offer to work in a company. Pero I came back to the Philippines. Sabi ko, sige, dito lang muna ako. Try 3 months. And then the first film, they gave me the first film. Then yun na, tuloy-tuloy na yung nangyari.
Kanina nga, di ba, I ask you, is it your comeback ba talaga? Or nag-pause lang ba? Ganyan?
Pause, siguro.
Pause siya.
Pause. Tapos parang yun, nagulat na lang ako na, ay, akala ko yung pangarap ko na this. Alam mo, ang buhay talaga, no? Hindi mo talaga alam kung saan ka mapupunta.
Totoo.
Yung kunyari, let's say, like for you, would you ever thought na you're gonna be a beauty queen?
Beauty queen siguro, oo. Kasi talagang...
Ay, beauty queen
oo,
ka
talagang
talaga.
beauty
Pero
queen
singer,
ever
no,
since.
no?
Ha?
Singer, no.
Singer, no. Pero, sige na rin, comedian na lang.
Comedian na lang?
Di ba?
Mas maganda yun.
Comedian, di ba? Singer, no, of course. Pero, beauty queen, oo, talagang nilaban ko siya. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, may one time, hindi ko ito pinakakwento sa'yo. Siya sabi sa akin, tigil mo na, huwag ka na
That was
lumaban.
last year, Christmas.
Tinignan ko siya. Sabi ko sa kanya, Sisi, promise, 2025 may crown ako.
Yeah.
Nagganon lang ako sa kanya.
But that's the reason behind it naman. That's why I said na, I guess, let's focus sa ibang
Oo,
bagay
kasi lagi ako natatalo sunod-sunod.
Not just talo, but
Yung issue din,
yung
yeah.
hardship.
But that's
na
your
naranasan
fuel
mo.
to prove them wrong. And
Pero
I
deep
think,
inside, sa sarili ko, alam ko magiging beauty queen ako. Alam ko mananalo ako. Alam
Sabi ko nga, let's just buy
ako.
crown, di ba? I mean, like,
bili tayo sa
Fans-
may Divisoria.
Parang ganon.
Kung buy, parang legit, di ba? 18 carats. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, hindi, ayoko bumili, ayoko. Gusto ko mananalo ako, fairness.
But before the pageant, ano yung dream mo talaga sa sarili mo? What do you want to be?
Siyempre, dati gusto ko rin naman mag-artista.
So artista
Oo,
talaga?
artista din talaga. Kasi nga sabi ko, paano? Wala naman kagaya ko kasi sa industry, di ba? Na, yung talagang, yung makisabi mo, oh my God, ang ganda-ganda.
Alam mo, ang hirap din
diba?
kasi dito sa
Ang hirap.
industry nito, no, if you're different, you're like the guinea pig. I don't have a lot of friends in the industry. Tsaka talaga makikita mo, di ba? Makikita mo, normal lang ako. Sa industry na to, no, parang ang sakit sa ulo. Bakit kailangan na magpapanggap ka pa?
Totoo.
I
Pero-
have a question pala. Do you think is it the industry or the people in the industry?
The people in the industry.
And the audience. Di ba? The people in the industry kasi, they actually move based on the audience
Oo.
response and reaction. Paano ba nakakaroon ng bagong shows? Bakit ba gano'n? Depende yan sa feedback ng customer mo, ng
Oo, tama.
audience
Totoo yan.
mo.
Oo.
So, kung ano ang hinahanap ng tao na mga
Binibigay
nanonood,
natin.
yun ang binibigay natin. So, pag sinabing, ay, sa Pilipinas, tweetams, tisam, gusto namin love story, ganyan-ganyan. Anong ginagawa natin? Paulit-ulit, di ba? Love
Bawal
story,
ang trans dyan.
Bawal ang ganyan.
Oo!
Bawal lumabas. Charis.
Bawal lumabas.
Bawal lumabas. Eh, di mo.
Oh my God.
Papasok na
Oo,
ako
pero
sa bahay
totoo
ni Kuya.
yan.
Charot.
Bawal. Tapos
Oo.
parang I realize, coming back from this industry, kasi nawala din talaga ako kasi nag-asawa ako. Nagpalaki ako ng bata. Pero I realized when my daughter was getting older, kasi syempre, my daughter now is grade 2.
I know.
Mag-grade 3 na yung anak ko. Sabi ko, I have more time to do things na.
Yes.
Kasi busy na yung anak ko eh. Pero nung kasi yung first 3 years, 4
Of course,
years,
you have
hindi
to be
talaga
focused.
kaya. As in talagang nawala ako kasi it's not my main focus in life.
So, syempre, pinili niyo AFAM, di ba? So, what are the disadvantages and advantages of having an AFAM?
Advantage muna siguro, it's about being open. It's about yung being adventurous. Siyempre, I myself, I didn't see naman na forever ako nasa Philippines. So at least, yung AFAM, I could explore on understanding a different culture. Diba? At I could also learn from them. So yun yung advantage. Disadvantage lang siguro, syempre, yun nga, with yung traveling, minsan
Long
sila rin
distance.
naman, no, hindi naman ako naka-experience ng long distance. Syempre
Binakit
sila,
mo talaga agad?
Ay, ay! Oh my God.
kaloka.
Oo.
Bakit? Take home, labubo pala. Hindi naman labubo yung AFAM. Sa collection ko pala
Oh
siya.
my God, hindi ko mag-medyante ka na talaga.
Hindi mo alam, may collection pala akong glass na sila. Dahil nakategi pala sila. No? Tapos ako ganun lang sila. Pero,
Yung mga
Fantasy.
kinuha mo, ah.
Right.
Pero I think for me, nagkaroon ako ng experience kasi last 2 of my partners is talagang AFAM. And siguro, I don't really say na lahat sila open-minded. Kasi nagkaroon ako ng relasyon na mas conservative pa to sa isang Pinoy. Na ang sakit sa ulo, na parang lahat pinagsisilosan, pati...
Ganun kakaganda, ibig sabihin.
Hindi, pero parang mali na eh. Toxic na yung pati pamilya mo pinagsisilosan.
ay grabe.
Kasi yung pag ikaw nagkaroon ng relationship, hindi naman ibig sabihin na yun lang yung pwedeng relationship na
Totoo.
pwede mong makuha sa mundo, di ba? You know?
For sure, may nakaka-relate dun sa sinasabi mo about, in general, maybe a fam or Pinoy.
Oo.
But how do you handle that? I mean, did you let go of it na lang ba? Or
Mahirap.
did you talk to the person na...
Hindi, kasi ano yun eh, parang minsan kasi you accept until to the point na, boiling point na sasabog ka na lang eh. I think it's really not about a fams, no? It's really a person-to-person basis.
Saka I notice lang din, I mean, this is not general naman, but there are some of them also that they'll go here in the Philippines with a lot of money, but habang tumatagal, sila naman din yung binubuhay ng Pilipino.
Totoo, kasi nauubos po kaya ang pera. Hello?
Correct. Feeling nila, no? Tapos ang yabang-yabang pa nila na, oh, you like me for my green card. Pero hindi lang talaga sa US, kasi even Australia, for me, parang, when a partner comes there, hindi naman ibig sabihin makakapagtrabaho ka eh.
Saka hindi naman kasiguraduhan na angat yung buhay mo.
Totoo.
Oh, nasa ibang environment ka lang.
Yes.
Pero hindi ibig sabihin yung environment na yun is a lot better.
Correct.
Kasi minsan pumunta ka ng ibang bansa, madi-depress ka din eh.
Totoo.
Ako na-depress ako noon, yung tumira ako sa ibang bansa, na sabi ko, wala akong pamilya.
True.
Ang pamilya ko lang eh yung anak ko, tas yung partner ko. Tapos sabi ko, hindi pala pwedeng gano'n, na kailangan mo rin pala ng ibang unit.
Yes.
It's either work, kaibigan, or activities.
Yeah.
Yung mag-gym ka, may makakausap kang walang kakwenta-kwenta, pero you really need it.
Yes.
Di ba?
Kasi it's
That's
ano
the balance.
Yeah. Kasi minsan we need to come back to our home. Come back to where we are comfortable in. And siguro na lang, andun na din yung Filipino trait and, di ba, na values natin, that you always come back to where you come from.
Okay, so let's talk about a Fam Wives Club, di ba? So you're 4 there. So of course you and Kayleen,
Queen.
Julia,
and Mary.
So how did you get the roles pala?
So sa akin kasi, when they called me, they were like, we have a show about a fam wives. Sabi ko, we. Talaga yung mga sagot ko, we. Kasi I'm so negative. Kasi I'm negative. Kasi ako yung, yung hiwalay, di ba? Parang, naku, parang puro negative lang yung sasabihin ko dyan sa show na yan. Masisira lang buhay ko. Huwag yun na akong kausapin. Turn off.
Okay.
Ay, naku, huwag na. Iba na lang kunin nyo. They called me again. Sabi niya,
Ikaw lang.
Parang ako lang sa
they called me and sabi ko, ano na naman? Sabi ko, kasi sabi ko, wala nga akong partner na mapapakita sa inyo.
Maghanap kayo ng masaya na afam, gano'n.
Oo, pero I think, that's why they put me in the show. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao laging masaya eh.
Totoo.
Meron din mga moments na katulad ko, na hindi talaga nag-work. And I think that's my story to tell in this show talaga.
Oh, kabaliktaran ko naman. Ako sumaya sa show. Ako nalungkot na lang ako.
Before you answer that, how did you get the role pala?
Last ako di ba? Ako yung last na nakuha. Pinatawag ako, tapos nung time na yon, syempre ganun din. Parang sabi ko, legit ba to? Parang, paano nangyari?
So, sobrang may trust issue na,
di ba?
Sa
Parang
dami
tayong walang mga trust issue. Tsaka syempre, hindi naman ako showbiz. Bakit ako? Paano nangyari yun? Saan niyo ako nakita? Tapos kakatapos ko lang ng pageant. So parang ako, akala ko nga nung time na yon, nagpaplano pa kami na sabi ko, kausap ko yung org nung international. Sabi ko, saan niyo po akong bansa papadala? Yun ganun ako eh.
Yeah,
Sige
kasi
po.
parang what's your plan
May
is
job
to work
kasi,
for
the Universal Woman. Kasi yun naman talaga yung purpose ko, which is you have to work for the organization. So ako, send nyo na po yung lilipad ka ng Malaysia, Cambodia. So yun lang iniisip ko up until legit talaga yung show. Tapos nagpaano na sila ng look test. Yung
Nagkikitaan na tayo. Sabi ko, oh my God!
May friend na naman ako dito. Pero nung time na yun, trust issue pa rin ako. Sabi
So
ko,
prior getting the role, you don't know pa kung sino kasama.
kami lang, alam ko lang na siya. Sinabi na sa akin. Kasi
Binilungan
nagtanong
ka
na ako.
Natalie, gano'n.
Natuwa ako nung nalaman ko nandun siya. Tapos, nag-look test kami. Hindi pa rin ako naniniwala. Nag-look test pa nga tayong dalawang sarili natin, di ba?
Nag-look test tayo? Yeah, I remember.
Di ba dito? Kasi hindi nga ako naniniwala na tuloy na ba to or what? Kasi nga, wala nga akong alam pa. Tapos yun, hanggang sa it happened, day 1 of shoot, masaya. Nung natin.
Doon na yung, actually, guinea-pig din kami sa show na to, no?
guinea-pig
Kasi we
tayo.
didn't know what to do. And first of all, yung tinapon kami dito sa show na to. Talagang tinapon.
Tinapon talaga, okay.
Gano'n, no? I mean, it's just a term in our industry. So parang tinapon, nilagay.
Correct,
Kumbaga,
correct.
nilagay kami sa show na to.
Pinuwesto, gano'n.
We didn't know what to do. And we were like, ano ba tong reality show na to? Ang weird, ang awkward. Ba't ko kailangan kausapin na to?
Alam mo, ko si Natalie doon. Kasi remember when they shoot
Andun
here.
andun siya.
Tapos kalma lang ako. Sabi ko, mag-ayos ka, hindi okay na to.
But, by the way, guys, kasama po sa show. So, panoorin niya po, lalabas po
As in,
sa
sabi ko,
ating
ayoko mag-ayos ka
episode.
rin na yan. So parang, ay, totoo pala siya.
Promotion mo rin pala to sa'yo.
Parang gano'n, parang, totoo pala siya. Ganyan.
Oo, di ba? Ganun siya sa una.
But
Parang
since it's
magugulang
your first show, di ba?
Na major.
Na major, na ikaw, you're part of the main.
Kasi dati
Ano yung
extra lang ako.
pakiramdam nung totoo na pala siya?
That you are
That
your own
cast ka
queen.
na.
Oo.
May ganito na, may
Oo,
pa-poster
may ganyan
na.
na, may pa-poster. No, masaya siya kasi parang, finally, no, pwede na rin pala. In the right time, ganun lagi kang sinasabi, in the right time, kasi nga dati, kinikwento ko nga sa kanya, nasa likod lang ako. May mga show na rin ako sa
Tigapulot
EBS
ng,
talaga
ano,
before.
ng bola
Hindi niya
nila.
nga alam, pero kasi nag-TV, pero sabi ko, ay, extra, wag na. Sayang naman yung buhay natin kung hanggang, kaya mag-level up.
So, do you feel na parang when the
ganun
moment
siya.
that, I am part of the Fam Wives na, is it a fulfilled purpose na?
It's a constant pinch me moment feeling. Kasi until now naman, di ba, hanggang matapos siya. Pero syempre, hindi tayo dapat, mag-settle lang. Kailangan galingan pa natin. Kasi hindi
Ako, I
naman
love
pwede.
underdog stories.
Totoo.
Ako, I love it. Kasi parang nakakatawa na ang tagal mong hinanap yung time mo, pero nabigyan ka. Ako kaya nga ako palakpakan! Kasi gusto natin yung mga ganyang storya. Kaya nga sabi ko, yung mga ganito, people will really idolize you kasi pwede pala.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Pero yeah, paghihirapan pa din. Marami pa akong matututunan. Happy ako kasi nga, so isa pa yun sa happiness ko kasi friend ko siya.
Oo.
Magkakilala na ba kayo prior of
Oo, pero hindi lang talaga
Hindi
kami
lang super close.
nagka-chika.
Oo.
Dito talaga kami
Dito kami
yung wala na, wasak na ng usapan ng
Wasak na.
buhay.
But you, Natalie, how does the show mirror your life? as a mother?
It was very difficult kasi nung show na to, yung ginagawa ko to, dinodog show ko talaga sila.
Oo nga, nakikita ko nga. Ayun ako eh.
I'm never serious in this show. Kasi parang sabi nila, you're normal. Yung normal ko, I'm actually an introvert at home. So, hindi nila alam na tahimik lang ako. Sa showbiz, I'm an extrovert.
Because it's part of the job.
The job. Eh, the whole time, sabi ko, paano kaya ito gagawin? Ang titimpla ko dito. Hindi naman pwedeng seryoso ang atake ko dito. So, ang ginagawa ko, talagang niloloko ko yung sarili ko. Parang, kamusta ka na? I am so happy.
Pero kayo yung happy niya, ha?
Kamusta na self?
Ganun yung happy niya.
So, parang, minsan sabi nila, uminom ka ba? Or
May ano ka, may memo ka bigla, iinom pa sa set.
Parang ano ba, yung energy mo kakaiba eh. Parang may mali yata sa'yo eh. Yeah.
Ikaw, I mean, how do you mirror the
show
as a trans woman?
For me, it's a blessing, but it's also my entry point. Kasi 'di ba, a lot of people naman din dito sa bansa natin, minsan kailangan ka rin nilang makita at parang yun nga, as a guinea pigs can also be it's a good thing or a bad thing kasi it's a social experiment.
Yes.
And all experiments will always have a result, either good or bad. For this one, I see it as my entry point.
What's your conclusion?
And,
Wala
and my
ka.
hypothesis.
Yeah.
Charot. Diba?
But of course, diba, not every day is, a fun day. There are
Yes.
some, sa showbiz kasi may mga punto talaga na nababash ka.
Sarap kaya mabash.
Because, sige nga,
Pag Paris Beauty Queen nga lang, di ba na nag-Miss Universe Pampanga ako, Diyos ko, binash ako ng binash. So, masarap mabash kasi dahil sa pagbabash na yon napunta ako sa international.
so it's like a fuel
Oo,
also.
mas masarap mabash, to be honest. I-bash nyo na ako ngayon pala. I-bash nyo ako ng i-bash.
Noted.
More. Noted.
But
Diba?
yun, Natalie, since syempre ibang era of your life to eh. I mean, you're an artist, but you also have a kid, di ba?
Oo.
So, how do you feel if someone like, kasi di ba yung comment na babasa ko din na parang, they're questioning your motherhood.
I think sa akin, no, kung ano yung nakikita nila sa public, hindi naman yun lang ang meron ako. Unang-una, nakita mo 3 minutes lang. 24 hours ang meron tayo sa isang araw.
Kulang pa nga minsan yan, 24 oras na yan.
So sa akin kasi, I know that I'm a great mother. I know I'm responsible.
Palakpakan.
Ang ganda
Diba? Na parang...
Tinitle mo naman.
Title.
Oo, title. Ako naman may title
Yes,
ngayon.
siya naman.
Na ginagawa ko lahat. And you know what? I really believe na kung napunta yung problema ko sa ibang tao, I don't think they can handle it well.
Exactly.
And I handle it na parang wala lang.
Gracefully.
Wala lang. Everything happened to me. Yung iba siguro, they will fall apart. Ako, I look at it as my fuel right now is I have this kid that looks up to me.
Yes.
Correct.
So ngayon, ako yung hero niya. What do? I become a better person.
Yeah.
And even though I'm not a great person, kasi hindi naman lahat perpekto, I
So,
try,
subjective yung pagiging great, diba?
Yes.
Depende sa tao.
Yes.
sa akin, I try to be a better person from day to day. Yung being there for my daughter, ibang usapan din yun eh. So yung nakikita nila na akala nila, kasi ako talaga dog show ako all the time. I don't care. Hindi nila nakikita yung serious side ko. Nakikita na lang nila pag ito nakapunta to sa bahay ko. Wala, doon nila makikita na ay seryoso pala si ate.
Tsaka there's a lot of layers for Natalie. Kasi nga, ang
Ako, I see
creative
it
niya.
now. Like,
Bay, ang
diba?
creative ni Natalie. Akala lang nila ganun-ganun. Pero it's nice, di ba?
Oo.
It means you have a lot to offer.
Ay, wow!
Di ba?
Para sa akin, end of the day kasi,
What is the offer?
ilang digits ba
Yeah,
yung,
I love it. The deal.
Sabay sa baba.
Sabay sa baba. Buy no deal mo muna para makita mo pa yung next.
Ay,
Ganon.
love
Di ba?
it.
Pag ganun mo.
renewal ka ba?
Ha?
You're up for renewal?
Ay, hindi ba
Ay, hindi,
naman?
no.
Renewal of ano?
Bawas? Tsaka ginulo nyo lalo.
Agulo na!
Ikaw naman, Kate,
Oh.
diba, syempre, of course, you experience a lot of talagang na-misunderstood yung,
Yung choices sa life.
not just the choices in life, but the trans woman in general. Di ba parang, hindi na natin maintindihan ano ba talaga yung definition niya, ano ba siya bilang tao, at ano ba yung ino-offer niya sa mundo.
Ako kasi, I consider myself as a straight person
Yeah.
with a transhood life.
Okay.
Because of, physicality. Pero ako, I'm straight. Like, di ba? Yun eh. I cannot, I guess, push something to the masses, to my community as well. Kasi you each have your own life. But for me lang, I don't know if maiintindihan ko to. Siguro yung mga kabatch ko, yung who can also relate to my experience, if you consider yourself as a woman, fully changed woman, then that's good. Pero ngayon nga kasi, lumawak na yung spectrum. But
Is
for
it good
me,
or bad?
Siguro it's more of like, it's nice if you educate yourself also within yourself. If you say that you're a trans, understand also that even in transhood itself, there's a spectrum.
Can I ask you
Diba?
something? I know this is gonna be kind
Oh,
of
it's okay.
offensive, no? Do you believe na kailangan, kasi in Australia, I went to Australia, there's a gender there, it's called unidentified. And I find that so complicated. Parang sabi ko,
It is.
like,
Totoo.
anong unidentified?
Wait lang. Ano gender? Okay.
Gender.
I-
Kaya nga, sabi ko nga, so tinawagan ko yung sister kong Becky, kiklik ko tong unidentified. Alam mo, sabi niya, huwag kang dumagdag sa problema ng mundo.
Yun yung bakit ba naging komplikado
okay,
siya?
for me lang ha, pero siyempre, when you talk about sex, yan yung nasa birth certificate natin, there's only two. Male and female. Bakit? Kasi it checks you what you have in the middle.
Yeah.
Pero gender kasi, that's your preference.
Correct.
So
Oo.
you could be
Eh,
anything.
paano yung ano daw siya? Yung parang
Unidentified.
halaman siya.
Yun yung
ganyan.
mali, kasi gender yung nakasulat eh. Kaya nga pinakinggan ko maigi. Kung nakalagay dyan, what's your sex? Dalawa lang dapat yan.
Male or female.
Male or female. Kung ano yung in your middle.
Oo,
Pero
pag-
pag gender kasi,
Pa nasa gilid, hindi
pag gender kasi, sa US, ang nalalagay nila dyan, X. Diba? Yun yung, meron sila doon. And it's considered,
Even Australia is the same.
diba, X,
Excellent.
diba?
Hindi.
Ano
Sa Australia kasi, very wide variety
Oo.
talaga. Kasi naloka nga ako eh. Doon is like male, female, trans woman, trans man, transgender. Tapos, unidentified.
Me, I'm not really knowledgeable about it. About,
Sa lawak ng nangyari. And it's also, I think it's
is it the media?
mass media na din. Kasi the media, when something is new, it is being shown in mass media.
Yeah.
And then the audience, especially mga younger generation, when they see in the media or in a TV, a show, a news, na parang, oh, I think I resonate to that, so I think that's me. Hanggang sa,
Well, what about
ganun
you,
siya.
Mark?
It's
Do,
like
do you
seeds.
resonate to that na you don't know what kind
are?
of gender you are?
Actually, no. Parang,
Naloloka ka din?
naloloka din ako. Sabi ko, even I'm part of the LGBT, hindi naman din kasi siya ganun ka-informed eh. Parang,
Yeah.
we don't have like a platform talaga that people are, ito yung mga genders ito yung identification na, unless you research about it or
Yes.
there's someone who's advocating about
Yes.
it. But me personally, I don't know about it. So I just know yung the usual.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Kung sino tayo.
The
yun ang alam
generic,
natin.
ganyan.
Oo.
Exactly.
But it's just nice to be able to find out those things, no? Especially kasi kung the day-to-day,
Yeah.
syempre marami tayong LGBTQ is very normal na. Pero it's
Yeah.
funny that you will find out in the hospital.
Correct.
If you have the chance to do it now, do it now. Don't wait for a certain time, because what if there's no time left and you kept on waiting? If you have the chance to do it now, do it now. And there's nothing wrong of who you are. I realized that in my life, and I'm in my trentahen. Tayo
Oh my
diba?
gosh.
Trentahen.
Pero alam mo kasi the
Yeah.
first step is the hardest one talaga.
to go there, to be
Diba?
to be courageous and brave.
Kasi minsan, kunyari, let's say, alam mo naman na may capable ka, pero ang dami mong negativity sa
Totoo.
utak mo, it's foggy. Hindi mo alam how to even just take
that
that
leap.
one
Biggest step.
Yes! Nakakaloka, pero once they get there,
nare-realize mo pala,
Wow.
okay. Pero again, there will be rejections. There will be a lot
Oh my
of
God.
no's. A lot. But the good thing about in life is we can always keep on trying.
Okay.
Trying. And
I
we
cried a lot. I heard a lot of no's in my life.
Yeah.
Pero I think it's a driving force talaga na, you know what, I'm gonna prove everyone wrong.
Yes.
Diba?
Yun talaga. The more na nanggigigil ka, the
Well,
more,
that's the
yeah.
initial thought kasi na parang, okay, gagalingan ko, papakita ko, ilalaban ko. But yun nga, sometimes, kakaganon mo, sarili mo lang pala yung kalaban mo.
That's
Totoo
so
rin
true.
yun. Totoo din yun. Totoo din yun.
That's so good. I think
din yun.
that's right. For me, sometimes, I'm my biggest enemy.
Yeah. Me too.
Hindi ikaw din?
Parang,
Parang,
dami nang basag sa bahay. Sinapak
Oh
ko
my
pala yung sarili. Sinapak ko pala yung sarili ko.
oo.
Ayan.
Cherry.
Parang ako, grabe ako manlait sa sarili ko. Kadiri ako, ganyan.
Taba ako,
Oo,
kulang
nakapangit
pa.
ko. I realize
Diba?
ako lang pala nagsasalita.
Totoo.
Ang
Nagsasabi
ganda ko
nun.
pala talaga,
Diba?
diba?
Ah, gano'n? Gusto ko yun!
Love it.
Para iba.
Para may iba.
Pero
Iba
totoo
na.
yun, totoo yun. Actually, di ba, yung minsan tayo, hindi pa tayo enough, pero sa mata ng tao pala, parang,
Baliw ka ba?
Oo.
Yung ba sabi nga ng iba na pag, kasi the way we see ourselves, feeling mo laging there's a missing, sabi mo nga, you'll always be the missing puzzle, diba?
Yes. Ay, yes. Nakita mo
You know what, there's one time in my life, I think last year, 2024, I really actually told myself, you're trash, you're never gonna go anywhere in life. I told that to myself. I accepted it. Ang hirap pala nun tanggalin sa utak mo and in your heart. Na it took me such a long time to say what I said to myself was wrong.
Correct.
You know what? I'm gonna change the narrative now. I'm gonna say, I'm great, I'm fabulous, I am a fighter. Pero minsan kasi you go through those stages in life na talagang you feel down din pala.
Yeah. Ako,
Have you felt that?
Of course, ako nga, parang, even I know, kasi there are some voices around you eh. Sometimes it's your own noise, sometimes the other people noise. And if you're blessed, hindi mo papansinin yung mga noise na yun kasi you feel that you're doing something great. Pero dapat pala hindi mo pinapansin mo rin siya because
it humbles you.
Asa ka nangyari kasi is nagpa-pile up pala siya, hindi mo siya pinapansin and then bila na siyang puputok na naapektuhan ka din pala.
That's why
so you have to
therapy is
address.
good.
Yeah.
So before we end lang, what is your your takeaway as the character in the Fam Wives?
I love my character there, Catherine. I
The
hope
character that you created.
See, ganun, dilulo kasi talaga. Pero totoo yan, minsan idilulo mo na lang yung buhay mo because dilulu as the solulu.
Yeah, that's
or
true.
the dilulu can be true lulu. That's why I am here. Charot. Pero yeah, I mean, takeaway in my life is, even until now, I still tell myself I'm not good enough because it humbles me and it makes me keep on trying and working hard. I don't want to be complacent. Whatever happens, and I know I still have a long way, I still have a long time, but I will take my chances and I will keep on trying every day. And I wish that everybody would also do that. That don't let anyone, pollute your brain, pollute your environment, and find a good space that you're accepted and you're loved, even if it's not your family. Because a lot of people will cherish and love you and see beautiful things in you because of who you are and your authenticity. Yun lang.
And Miss Natalie?
Ako siguro, my take in this show, the truth will set you free.
I love it.
Di ba? Kung totoo ka sa sarili mo, anong pakialam mo sa mga taong yan? Yun lang. Di ba? Tama?
Maganda.
Oo.
I love it. Very simple but
Yes.
direct. Diba? So, to everyone who's listening there, your invention is waiting.
Punta na kayo dito sa Mars.
Sa Mars.
Yes, pagupit na rin ka, mag-reinvent na rin ka. Ay, parang ang ganda na na-reinvent.
Diba?
If you wanna...
Pero alam mo, yun talaga, when I conceptualize this episode, tapos syempre I have to, see yung character nyo, reinvention siya talaga.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Mark.
So once again, this is Mark Rosales, and this is Mark My Word, a Hairpreneur Story.
Well, don't forget to like and subscribe.
My Word.
Mark,